Hey, what's up guys? Josh from Trailbuilt, and today we're going to be doing a this or that with Cody Lawson from Custom Offset. So make sure and smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us.
See, that's the energy you guys like. You got to go out to Trailbuilt, subscribe, and check out their website. But we are doing another giveaway, customoffsets.com/giveaway. McGoy suspension, Axe wheels, Amp tires. Also, if you guys need any wheels, tires, suspension, or accessories, Banker's really adamant that I mentioned the accessories. CustomOffsets.com. Let's hop to it.
All right, first question: Rock Crawler Wrangler or Overland Gladiator?
I'll go Gladiator.
You go Gladiator?
Yeah.
I'm going to do the Rock Crawler Wrangler.
Yeah.
I'm going to throw some 1-tons on there right away and some 40s and really deck it out.
Yeah, I think that definitely fits up your style. This seems a little new to me, but I always dig like the Overland builds, you know, like the Baja and across the fields and through the dunes and everything like that. And I think that's more fun. I think the higher speed, it's just like, it seems like rock crawling's so slow paced.
It can be, but then again, there's a lot of adrenaline involved, you know, especially getting in some of those off-camber situations and you're teeter-tottering, you know, and you're up on this ledge and, you know, you're one gas pedal or brake pedal away from just flipping over backwards.
I suppose.
So
that sounds intense.
I like the energy of the rock crawling, but I do like the pace of overlanding too, because you do get to get out and really, you know, see a lot of different nature and different territories and areas.
Just open it up.
Yeah, and that's a lot of fun too.
Built Ford Ranger or Chevy S10?
I would do the built Ford Ranger.
I would also do the built Ford Ranger. The new Ford Rangers are sick.
Yeah, they look very similar to the Colorados though, or even the GMC Canyons.
Yeah.
It's, you know, you can tell they both have that similar sort of styling features, especially to like the front end. That was me vibrating. Was that loud? I got a little excited talking about Ford Rangers.
Yeah, I think I definitely dig the new Ford Ranger. The S10, I don't know, like there's definitely a ton of really done up nice S10s, whether it be, you know, drag truck, street truck, show truck, whatever. But all I can picture is that kid in high school that had like the beat S10.
Yeah.
And it just like, that's all I picture. So I think I gotta go with the Ford Ranger.
Yeah, in fact, well, I had an S10 for about 30 seconds.
Yeah.
That was dropped down, had a Chevy 350 in it. And I didn't have it for long. Just beat the crap out of it and sold it, but
yeah.
Carolina squatted truck on Snowflakes or a truck with a 3-inch leveling kit?
What's a snowflake? And we're not being political here at all.
Yeah. Dude, I love bringing the off-road guys on. It's so good.
What is that?
Hold on, let me pull it up for you because it's worth it.
Because they look like a snowflake design.
Yeah. And then the squat.
Is that a new hot thing, like that sort of design, or?
It's a hot thing in some regions.
No, I get the Carolina squat thing, but you know where that originated from was the off-roading community, the pre-runners.
Sure.
You know, they had the super high travel rear suspension, and of course, you know, when they're on the throttle, that ass end is just squatting across a
purpose squat.
Yeah.
And
then plus when they jump it and land, you have that nice even, you know, centrifugal landing going on with their suspension.
Yeah.
So the fact that it was taken over by, you know, a bunch of guys on Snowflakes just drives me nuts.
Yeah, absolutely. I think I'd have to go 3-inch truck on a 3-inch level.
Lawson, choose a show truck wheel brand to make an off-road wheel. And Josh, choose an off-road wheel brand to make a show wheel.
So an off-road wheel brand to make a show wheel, I think I would have to go with my guys over at Icon Alloys, because I think they have the right blend of that off-road kind of boldness, that muscular look to their wheels. And I think they could really come up with a pretty cool show truck concept design.
I'd probably have to go with Hostile. I think because like the Alpha or something like that, that's like a smaller spoke, not so crazy. If they were to take that to like a 17x9, and then another thing too is like when you're building true off-road wheels, like the quality has to be there. And like Hostile's been doing it for so long that I think that they would be able to accomplish that. So like you could definitely take it down into a smaller size and make it an off-road wheel, obviously with the right science.
I sense a little hostility.
All right. Lifted OBS Bronco or stock new Bronco?
Stock new Bronco, they're insane.
Yeah, I would go with the new Bronco.
Just because I think like, especially for the Bronco, now obviously I'm a show truck guy, but like that thing would be fun to take out and like overland and rock crawl.
Yeah, it's pretty wild what they have done to it, especially like the you know, the off-road capable models that they have. I can't remember, like the Wild Track is
Yeah.
one of them that
Yeah.
have, you know, like front and rear lockers. They have the hydraulically controlled disconnecting anti-sway bar, you know, all for that off-road capability.
Yeah.
So, you know, you get turnkey off-road performance. So that's why I would go with the new one.
Yeah, if you guys just arose from under the rock and never saw the Ford Bronco release, I know both of our channels did pretty in-depth detail on all the specs that are on them. This is a pretty no-brainer question because stock, the new Bronco is insane. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, and I really wouldn't want to cheat on my Scout. So.
Yeah.
Choose one year, make, or model of truck to own forever. You can own any of them, but only that body style.
1973 International Scout. Yeah, I already own it.
I think I'm gonna go with just like literally what I'm chasing right now, 17 Super Duty. Just because I think even for the next 10 years, it's gonna, I feel like the front end and the overall design and look is gonna be able to compete with whatever comes out over the next 10 years, just because of the drastic jump from 16 to 17, that I think that would be a solid option.
If I didn't already have the Scout, I think my next option, and even one that I've contemplated getting, is like a early 70s or mid 70s Kaiser M715. I think that would be super awesome to have.
Yeah.
All right, bonus question. Would you rather get 5K cash or 10K gift card to one store?
5K cash.
Do we know what the store is? I would take 10K gift cards and go to trailbuiltoffroad.com. And
That's fair. That's fair. You got me beat. I was gonna take the cash, but that's true. There's so many like websites you could visit.
10K for Amazon?
Oh, dude, that's it. I'm sold.
Yeah.
10K on Amazon, you'd be set for life.
But 5K, I mean, you can buy a lot of black market shit with that. Never mind, I'm just kidding.
All right, guys, that's what we got for you guys on this episode of This or That. Josh, thank you for stopping by. This was a ton of fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Once again, if you guys haven't checked out Trailbuilt Offroad, definitely go check out their channel. They also got Facebook, Instagram, their website's banging. Definitely go check all of that out. And once again, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, or accessories, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one.
See you guys.
Ah!
Cut.
That was awesome.
Thank you so much.
That was a good time.